Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Finding Top K Dominance on Incomplete Big Data using MapReduce framework. Let's see the abstract. Top K dominant query finds the best values in a dataset based on a predefined goodness criterion in each use case. Dominance indicates that at least one attribute or value makes an object better than the object it dominates. Bitmap indexing is a way to ease the processing of non-uniform data. By using the bitmap indexing approach, the result discovery will be efficient and easier to handle in most cases. The bitwise operations in the bitmap indexing generates data patterns which are simpler for a machine to use and process. MapReduce framework has two fundamental functions called mapper and reducer, which are used to separate huge tasks between multiple nodes to make them faster. Each task, when applied to the MapReduce framework, is split into different chunks based on internal patterns and gets distributed between nodes. Let's see the flow of our process. First, we have to select a data set. Here we are going to use the movie data set to find top K dominant movie in the data set. And after dataset loading, we have to do a pre-process step. Here we have to remove the irrelevant data and some null elements in the dataset may be present in that dataset, which will be removed from the dataset. And after we'll implement the BIG implementation. BIG stands for Big Index Guided algorithm. This will be implemented to that particular data set, which is movie data set, and find top K dominant data in that particular movie data set. After finding a top K dominant data, that same data set will be used for MRBIG, that is a map and reduce bit index guided algorithm will be implemented on the same data set, and also we will find the top K dominant in that file. And after implementing these two algorithms, we will compare the algorithm performance analysis. Here we use the runtime of these two algorithms will be compared and find the best algorithm. Let's see the running process. First, click on index.java, right click on it and click run file. We'll get the index page here. Click here, select a file, dataset. This is the selector dataset. Here you can see the dataset, file name and file format. Next step is loading our dataset into the database. View the dataset. Here we have movie ID, user ID, movie ID, rating and timestamp. Next step is pre-process. In this step, we'll remove all the null element in the presented in the dataset. After pre-processing step, Bitmap Index Guided algorithm will be implemented. Here you can see number of user and number of movies, and in this set we have rated user. For this particular movie ID, how many users are rated, and second is rating count for this movie ID. This is the rating count, and here you can see the highest user rated movie ID, that is 7, and highest rated movie ID is here, that is 32 is the highest rating count, and 7 is the highest user count. Next one is MRBIG algorithm. Here we have to apply first map and reduce. Click on map and reduce. You can see the map and reduce task here. And find the top K and comparison graph between BIG and MRBIG. Here you can see the runtime between BIG and MRBIG. Thank you for watching.